Hi, my name is Eric Kirshner with WeatherFix.net here live from downtown Cumberland, Maryland. Again, I'm live from downtown Cumberland, Maryland as a thunderstorm moves into downtown Cumberland, Maryland. And right now, this thunderstorm is producing so far some pretty frequent lightning and heavy rain, some gusty winds, and some small hail. Oh my, that was a big bolt. I'm going to move my live stream camera a little bit over here. Just wait 1 second. Pardon the shakiness. Sirens are going. Alright, there we go. That might help with the better view here. There we go. There you can see the lightning on this storm. Sorry for the shakiness, but I think I got that fixed. Lots of lightning off to our So again, I'm live from downtown Cumberland, Maryland, as a thunderstorm is moving in, and you can already see the lightning on the leading edge of this, and pretty good lightning for this storm. I am under cover, moving out of the danger of the lightning. You can see the pretty frequent lightning right there. And again, this is coming into downtown Cumberland, Maryland. This line really hasn't weakened that much. There is currently a severe thunderstorm moving off to our east. That might be what some of this lightning is from. However, this line does have a pretty good amount of lightning with it as well. Yeah, it could be a little bit more off that storm in eastern Allegheny County. But again, there you can see the pretty dark clouds. So far, cannot define any features at the moment. Significant features, just some dark stormy clouds with it. I believe all that lightning is from that severe thunderstorm off to our east. Maybe not, though. There we go. There was a view of the shelf cloud right there, backlighting it. Let me adjust the camera slightly. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a very heavy thunderstorm, regardless of it's probably not gonna go severe, but it is coming into Frostburg right now, and also LaVale, and also you can see the dark storm clouds of it coming into Cumberland. Oh wow, yeah, you can see the shelf cloud now on the leading edge. You can now tell the shelf cloud, I believe. Yes, if you are in Hancock, you're under a severe thunderstorm warning. But you can see the shelf cloud now. Wow, that is some pretty nasty skies coming in the north side Cumberland. Right there, you can see the looks to be the shelf cloud right here, as well as some back there. But yes, Hancock is under a severe thunderstorm warning. Yeah, Hancock, eastern Allegheny County, northwestern Washington is also under the severe thunderstorm warning. This appears to just be mainly a strong thunderstorm now. Definitely see, I mean, tell you one thing, right here, if I adjust the camera, let me loosen it so I can pan a little bit, right there, I just got a shot of it. That is some pretty intense looking clouds right there. Oh, that might have just been a positive bolt. Whoa. Wow, this is a very powerful thunderstorm. Look at that right there. Look at the shelf cloud. Thunder. When thunder roars, go indoors. I'm under a shelter right now. Wow, look at that shelf cloud right now. Wow. Great structure coming into Cumberland, Maryland right now. Look at that structure. At the moment, there was just very, very gusty winds with this storm, but I'm unsure about rotation. I hope the live stream is catching this, but there's some pretty crazy structure coming over Cumberland right now. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, I would say there's not a funnel cloud, but it's mainly just shelf cloud on the outflow of this storm. I mean, like a shelf cloud, no funnel. I don't think so. However, nighttime and these late evening storms are extremely dangerous because you can never tell what's going on. Definitely see it coming over right now. Wow, look at this coming over Cumberland right now. Definitely there's going to be some gusty winds and heavy rain on the behind this shelf cloud coming over. Definitely pretty freaking lightning with this. Wow. Definitely staying under. If you are outside, you need to be getting into a shelter immediately right now. Getting very gusty winds right now. There comes the thunder. I don't know if you can see the shelf cloud on leading edge right there. Wow, look at the winds. Okay, I'm about to bring my GoPro in soon.
We gotta go in.
Yeah.
Gotta grab one of these things.
Alright, that'll be all for this live stream. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.